2024년 7월 21일 샬럿 카운티 보안관들은 임신한 여성과 그녀의 아버지 사이의 싸움 신고를 받고 한 주택으로 출동했습니다. 그녀의 남편이 그녀를 진정시키려 하자 말다툼은 급속히 격화되었고 이에 경찰관들이 개입하여 관련된 모든 사람들을 분리시켰습니다.
Because I've seen him first.
We were having a dispute, man, and she has known issues back in the past. She deals with bipolar, and she's been warded off, and she's been pretty good lately. But lately, we have disputes, and she gets violent, and as a man, you try to run from that shit. You don't want to get mixed up with that. But I went to the back. She locked me out the house. I was trying to go into the back. You could tell I opened the screen to go inside, you know. And I told her not to lock me again, I did, And then that's when I told her not to lock me up again, and I got to her face, which I did.
Yeah.
And then she felt threatened, which I understood, And then I told her it's fine. And then she just got violent from there,
Well, so by violent, what do you mean?
Well, I mean, like trying to push and punch, And I try to hold her back or withhold her back. That's her dad right there. Okay. She got upset that she didn't call you guys, but he knows the situation. That's her dad,
Yeah.
That's her dad.
Yeah.
So.
And you all stay here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't know what happened. She locked the door, and then I heard an ow. I opened the door, and then he was bleeding. So I'm guessing he hit her. She hit him, or whatever.
Okay. Has she been violent in the past?
Well, yeah, she has a history, but I don't want issues. I don't want to press no charges. I don't want, And I did have to get physical with her. What I mean by physical, it's like pushing her towards her room and away from her dad,
Yeah,
and,
I gotcha.
And it's with the kids, and this sucks.
How many kids you all got together?
2, and then on the way.
Okay.
And that might be part of it, It's also hormonal and all that, but
yeah. She taking medication or anything like that?
No, but she should.
So tell me again how the argument happened.
Cause she was upset over something, and it was small, like something small. It always happens with something small. It was something about cleaning or something like that,
Okay.
And then we started arguing. So what I decided to do is step out the house so I wouldn't argue. I was standing next to the Camry. Then I tried to go in. She locked me from the garage. She locked me everywhere. So obviously I was heated. I just wanted to get in my house.
Yeah.
I didn't want to hurt her, but I was heated.
I gotcha.
Back door, I have a lanai. I opened the screen. I just got a broom, poked it open.
Yeah.
Went to the back, and then I told her, why you locked me? Don't ever. And I got up to her face, and that's where it started from there. So I'll take part of the blame for the instigating, but I don't want to press charges on her or anything. I don't know how she feels, because her being bipolar and not her mood switches.
I gotcha. So so when you came in the house, and then I guess because you were obviously angry that she locked you out. So you said you went to her and then got in her face, and then what happened after that?
And that's when she got scared, and then she's like, back off, and I was like, okay, whatever.
Did she say she was scared?
Well, she said she was scared, and she said she was going to grab a knife or something, which she did, and that's when I was like, she's done it before, and I don't want to say this, I don't want to say she's grabbing knives before, but she's done it before,
Yeah.
She's never done it, but it's always in the back of my phone.
Okay. So at any point did you put your hands around her neck or choke her or anything like that?
Well, when I had to pull her out of the room, because she was grabbing on her dad has bruises, I had to pull her away and put her in the room. So I guess I did grab her and put her in the room.
Like from behind?
Yeah, probably.
I gotcha. Alright.
I don't want to grab her around the belly.
Okay, I gotcha. Did she fall or anything? Or
No, I mean, I pushed her to the bed, but it's a bed and it's on the floor, and I didn't really push her.
I can get him a Band-Aid.
Okay.
You have a minute?
Yeah.
Really fast?
Yeah.
I talked to her dad. She's pregnant.
Yeah.
She's got issues. She attacked dad, broke into his room, busted him here.
Yeah.
She's typically the primary aggressor in all their incidents, so there's a history.
Yeah.
So it may be a signal 20, but I'm going to give him a Band-Aid.
Okay. Pretty much he went outside to cool off, locked him she locked him out, and he went into the house, and obviously he was upset. She locked him out. He gets in her face, and then she, I guess, starts, angrily talking to him and then wailing on him.
She broke into Dad's bedroom and went out there and popped him in the face.
What was I saying before that? Can't remember. Before she...
I can't recall, my bad.
Okay. Yeah, just sit right here and I'll talk to her. See what's going on. All right? She inside?
They're inside.
Okay. And then I'll just talk to you after, okay? Well, I'll just talk to you right now. All right. So what happened?
Well, I was in my room. They were fighting and stuff, and she just rammed in my door. She wanted me to. That's a baby.
Okay.
She wanted me to call 911. So that's how I got this. I bruise easily. I got cancer.
Yeah.
Or I've had cancer. See.
So she broke in your room to pretty much wanted you to call 911.
Yeah, she said he's got my phone. He was trying to call his phone to find his phone.
Yeah.
And then she goes in there to grab my phone, and that's what this is, wrestling with the phone.
I gotcha.
I never gave up the phone.
I gotcha.
I put the phone back in my pocket. She was mad because she said I didn't defend her.
Yeah. Does she have any mental? Does she have any mental issues or anything like that?
Well, I think it's hormones. And
So she hasn't been diagnosed with anything?
No.
Okay. All right.
I do think she's probably manic depressive or whatever you call it.
Yeah.
You seriously may need a stitch for
I'll,
that. Or you're gonna
I'll
have
go
to
talk to her.
Central 220.
I'm gonna shut this. All right. She'll be back. All right. So what's going on?
We got into it,
I don't know what got into it means.
like just arguing about cleaning up. He said I don't have to clean up right away. I said yes I do. I have a lot of stuff to do. I'm busy. And we're bickering. And he got upset and he left. Got in the car and he left. And I guess he forgot his phone. And he just came at me, like he just came at... Oh, sorry, I locked the front door. And so I guess he came through the back. I was in the kitchen, and he just came at me and choked me up against the freaking fridge. The whole fridge moved, and I got scared, and I just told him, "Don't do that! Like, don't do that!" I was scared, and I was just yelling at him and screaming at him, and I was pissed, you know. And I said, "Don't do that again to me." Sorry, can I step over here?
Yeah.
Because in my voice. I said, "Don't fucking do that again to me." And he was going through the house searching for his phone. And then I didn't have it. I don't know where it is. I still don't know where it is. And he walked out the door and he came back in and he did it again on the couch and choked me and told me to give it to him, give me his phone, and all I had to do was give him his phone and he would leave. And I told him, "I don't know where your phone is, and if you do that again, I'm gonna..." And then I was looking around the house for his phone too because I just wanted him to leave because it was upsetting the kids.
I gotcha. So how'd your dad get the cut on his?
I don't know. There was a scuffle when I was pounding on his room. He had the door locked and he was minding his business, and I was telling him, "Can I use your phone?" Like, he took my phone away and he wouldn't give it back. "Can I use your phone?" And I was hitting the door, and finally he opened it, and he had his phone in his hand, and I was telling him, the kids are screaming. I had one baby in my hand, And he was like looking at me strange. He was looking at me strange and not responding, telling me basically like, no, you're not gonna call the cops. I'm like, why? Like, I'm scared, just do it, like, I'm scared. And he wouldn't give me his phone, and I was reaching for his phone, and we were pushing each other. We were pushing each other back and forth.
Who's we?
Me and my dad.
Okay.
Trying to get the phone, and all three of us were like pushing each other, trying to get the phone. And yeah.
Okay.
And then finally, John gave me my phone back, and that's when I called. Because they did not think I was going to, and I was like, I am. Like, what do you think this is?
So is this your, what's your
my fiance.
Okay.
The father of my babies.
Okay. So
Like,
when he came in the back, what happened?
I don't know how he got through the back. I don't know.
What happened after that?
He just ran up on me and choked me.
So he just ran up on you and choked you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I knew why. It was because I closed the doors because I was upset that he left, And I closed the doors. I knew he was going to get into the house. It's not locked in the back. He could go through the garage, whatever. I was just done. I was like, all right, whatever, leave, go fishing, whatever. But he was just wanted his phone, and I did not have it.
Okay. At any point did you lose consciousness or anything?
No.
Did you urinate yourself?
I thought I was going to because I'm pregnant.
Okay.
That was, like, when we get into scuffles like that. Right over my neck, like, pulling each other and... On my neck.
Okay.
He just choked me against
Two
the
hands,
fridge.
one hand, right hand, left hand?
I think one.
Okay. Alright.
But I don't want nothing bad to
Okay.
him or my family. I just wanted it to stop. And I
Okay.
just couldn't believe that my dad was not calling you guys. Like, I did not understand because I was scared. It was like he was ignoring me. And I was like, why aren't you calling? Like, clearly it was out of control. Whatever the situation was way out of control. And I wanted to call because...
Okay. So, here's the thing. We're getting two conflicting stories.
Of course.
Yours and his, and then yours and your father's as well. So both their stories are matching.
Well, that's what happened. I don't know what to tell you.
Okay.
Like,
Your child was with you when you were getting the phone from your dad?
uh-huh.
What's your hand? Are you right-handed?
Yeah.
So is that scratch on your pinky from what? Top of your front hand towards your pinky.
Oh.
Oh, right?
Yeah.
Is that from punching your dad?
Central 111,
Door?
105, Iris 10,
Door?
111, 105, Iris 10, respond emergency to 159 Australian Drive, 159 Australian Drive, Jonathan Lantana Road for an
Do you have
overdose.
mental health issues?
No, I used to when I was a
So
teenager.
you're not having a mental health crisis
Well,
right
copies
now?
coming from the beach.
Okay.
That's what he was
You don't take
trying
any
to lie.
You don't take any medication. You're not diagnosed with anything.
No, I've just been pregnant for 3 years straight. Back to back to
Copy,
back.
copy,
And
right.
I knew he was... That's why I always avoid any...
Pretty safety advised there's going to be a 2-month-old child. Was accidentally given until ibuprofen.
Trying to say that there's something wrong with me.
No, I'm asking you to evaluate your mental health status right now.
Oh,
Because we have some course of actions, right? Like we're here, right? So I'm asking you, are you having a mental health crisis right now? So you know the difference between right or wrong. You're stable, emotionally stable. You're not hearing voices. You don't want to harm yourself. Have delusions, hallucinations, or anything like that. Possibly harm your children.
Central Fire's going to probably beat us there, so we don't need to stage on
I did not want my dad to get hurt and all of this. It's horrible.
Alright. Here.
Put him in front. She's
Perform.
pregnant.
Wait, what? Wait,
Oh.
why?
I'll
Why?
explain to you right now.
I did not hurt anyone.
Well, here's the thing. You know when you started banging on the door and fighting with your dad and your
I
child?
was not fighting with him. I was knocking on the door asking for help.
Okay, you already told us you were pushing each other back and forth. right? You had your child.
I
That's
got
child
pushed.
endangerment.
No,
No, that's not what you said.
I got
That's
pushed.
not what you said.
I was reaching for the phone and I got pushed off.
We were all facing each other. You have a child, you have a responsibility to protect that child.
You are right.
You know, and
That's why I'm waiting for you guys. You're right.
so you don't do business like that.
So she's gonna check to make sure you don't got any weapons or anything on you.
Turn around.
Am I
Do you have
being
any
charged with
Turn around.
child endangerment?
Do you have any drugs or narcotics or any legal items?
No. I
Do me a
do.
favor. Take a picture of her neck.
I was just trying to
I don't have
protect
my
my
work phone on
kids.
me.
That's all I wanted. I'm
Okay, well,
sorry.
we don't do that business while we're holding our kids.
I don't have my own.
I have
Let me.
one right here.
Alright.
You understand what
I
I'm
was
saying?
scared.
Do you hear what I'm saying?
I'll get my phone because I gotta upload them anyways. So. Hey, buddy, let me get some pictures of you. All right.
For what reason?
For the investigation,
What investigation?
domestic. Do the babies breastfeed or anything like that?
No, they're both bottle fed right now.
Okay.
Well, one of them is bottle fed. the
You're
other one's
capable of taking care of them. Okay. All right. She's gonna be going with us. All right.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
For domestic.
And what's gonna go on from there?
She'll get a court date, and well, she'll have first appearance, and then she'll get a court date.
But today, what's gonna happen today?
She'll be going down to Charlotte County Jail.
And then?
Here, you wanna stand up? Let me get some pictures of you real quick.
Wait, give me a minute.
Okay.
Responding to Australian Drive. To be no one under the influence. All
Listen, man,
parties still present.
it's not your fault,
Either
man.
great
You know,
I know.
we can only do so much. You want to have your hands down like this? Alright. Palms facing up.
210.
Okay.
Close at 60 at
And then I'm
Walmart.
showing you a close up of the face. Alright. I appreciate it.
I think I'm just gonna have to come to terms with it.
I hope I don't look so horrible.
Alright. Well, hold your hand straight down. And then I'm going to get a picture of that.
Listen,
Do you mind? Is he
he's
got
in
any
your car.
Okay.
He was doing the vine form and
Can you get a waiver real quick?
Marcy's.
And then I can just, so, just pretty much the domestic for him.
Against we'll get a waiver for the dad.
Yeah.
And then child endangerment.
Not. Neither of us want this for each other or my kids. Like, what?
Central 111, 105 calls will be advised. Fire and EMS are going to be engaging.
Why did you lie? Tell them the truth. Tell them what happened. They're arresting me
Put
because
her in
I
the
was
car.
holding the baby.
Put her in the car.
She going with me
Like
or
all
him?
of
Put her
this.
in a car for right now. Any car. You need to quit.
I know. Just tell them the full story.
If you say one more word, I'm going to add additional charges. Do you understand? Go that way.
Just gotta stop. It's okay.
You're good. You have to understand our point, though.
I do.
1405.
Hey, how you doing? Well, just kind of the third person I got here. You want to be notified when she's released? Okay. So I'll just have 2 sections for you to sign up. Yeah, I mean, it's whatever the conclusion is. I didn't talk to you guys, but all right, I'll make sure she gets it. Alrighty, guys. No problem. Just wanted to I didn't get photographs of your injuries for Deputy Ellis. I guess your arm and your head. Yeah, I guess I didn't get a chance to do that. I'll just do this, and that's your arm right here.
Yeah,
What
but
happened?
these are old. I bleed real easy. See?
Okay.
These are all
And is
old.
this old?
No, this is what I got, but it was just,
Okay. And then on your head. Perfect. Thank you so much. Alrighty, guys. Hey, take care. No, it's okay.